Hello everyone and welcome to a new tutorial, and today I'm going to show you how to fix Fortnite out of video memory problem. It's very easy and simple. All you have to do is to follow my steps, and before we begin, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe and turn on the notifications. As you can see now, this message may pop out when you try to run Fortnite, and this issue you may face it with other games. So let's assume that your graphics card meet the minimum requirements of the game, and here in my case the game is Fortnite. So we have some methods in order to fix this issue. Now the first method to fix this issue is to go to this PC, then right click on this space, then choose properties. Then go to advanced system settings, and here you should go to advanced, then click on settings, then go to advanced, and here you should click on this icon right here, change. And what are we going to do now is to change the area on the hard disk that Windows uses as if it's RAM. So we will uncheck this box right here, then click on custom size, and here you should put a number between 12,000 and 30,000. Now the numbers don't have to be exact, but these are the range that most of games accept it in order to run properly. And after that you should click on OK, then click on OK again, and it will ask you to restart your PC. Then you should restart it and try to open your game and see if the issue is fixed or not. Now, assuming that you are facing the same problem, let's jump into method 2. Go to your Epic Games launcher, then click on library and search for your game Fortnite or any other games that you have the issue with. Then click on these three dots right here and choose manage. Then click on verify, and you can do the same method on Steam by going to your Steam launcher, then locate the game, right click on it, properties, then go to installed files and click on verify integrity of game files. Try to open the game again, and if you're still having the problem, you should head to method 3. And in step 3, you can simply uninstall your graphics driver, then install it again, or you can even lower the graphics from the inside of the game. You should lower the resolution because it consumes much of your VRAM, or changing any graphics settings that consumes your VRAM. Now, if you're still having the problem, let's assume that you have two video cards on your PC. One is the external NVIDIA card or AMD, and the other is the integrated card in your CPU or APU. So you should run the game on your GPU or external graphics card, and make sure that you are running on your GPU, not other cards. You should go to the task manager after opening your game, then go to performance, and you will see that your graphics card or GPU is being used by the game. But now I am on the desktop, so nothing is happening. And if you have other integrated graphics cards, it will show in this section. And there is also another method to make sure that you are using your GPU while running the game. And this method is very simple. All you have to do is to allocate the game file, or allocate exactly where is the application folder. And here in my case, I'm installing it on the F drive. So if you are having it on the local disk C partition, you should go to local disk C, then program files, then go to Epic Games, then Fortnite game, binaries, and Win64, and you should find these two applications right here. You should remember where they are. And now you have to go to the start menu, then go to settings, then system, display, and you should go down till you find this option right here, graphics settings. Choose it, then click on desktop app and click on browse, and here you should copy this location from here. You can double click on this bar, then copy it, select it and copy it, then go to settings again and paste it in this bar right here. Click on enter, and here you can add the two things that I have mentioned, the two applications. Click on add, then here as you can see, you can click on options and make sure that you are running it on the high performance. Okay, so I'm going to choose high performance, then click on save and choose the other application right here, in my case this one, and click on add, and click on options, choose the same option for this application also, then click on save. And now you are running these two applications on your GPU. In case that you have another integrated graphics card on your CPU, you can see it in your options, but here in my case I don't have one. Then after that, the problem should be fixed, but let's assume that you're still having the problem. I'm gonna show you now the last solution. In order to apply this solution, you should go to the search bar, then type run, then type in this bar right here, local app data, percentage local app data, percentage, then click on OK. Then you should here search for Fortnite game, then go to save, config, Windows client, then here you should rename this file, and by this way you are doing like resetting to your graphics settings in Fortnite. It will bring it to default, and this method may be helpful in case that you have changed the graphics settings in Fortnite and this change made the issue to occur. Then you can try to open the game again. And that's all. These are the solutions that I have used. I hope this video is useful to you all, and I hope the game works with you properly. Thanks for watching, and see you in a new video.